Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are Bosh. This is a new series we're putting together called Bish Bash Bosh Book Club.
We're putting it together in honour of this, our brand new cookbook, which comes out on the 4th of April.
And it comes out in September in the United States. We're really excited about this, so excited that we wanted to just spend the whole month of March letting you know in short little videos the backstory behind Bish Bash Bosh.
Now, as most of you probably will know already, we released a cookbook that did very, very well, and we were gifted the opportunity to write another one. So we thought about a name, and the name had to be Bish Bash Bosh.
Your favourites, all plants. That kind of encapsulates the way we think about food and the recipes that we wanted to put into this book. So it's all about, you know, those favourite recipes that you had when you were younger, whether it's lasagnas or curries or burgers or even things like chicken nuggets. Obviously, we've made everything vegan, or fish fingers. All of that is in here.
We have always been about, and will always be about, plant-based food for everyone. And this book, like our first, encapsulates that philosophy perfectly.
Obviously, in book one, it was pretty much about showing people their first vegan recipe. That was the Cookbook Bosh. This book is more about getting recipes like that into your life on a regular basis. So as well as the recipes, we've got some meal plans, we've got more information on how to prep, and we've got loads of bonus recipes, small things like baba ganoush or pesto, little recipes that you can incorporate into your daily cooking.
Now, a lot of people commented on our first book about the fantastic photography, so we were lucky enough to work with the same photographer this time. Lizzie Mason, you are a badass. The photography in this book is fantastic.
Look at that. I mean, that's just one of the photos. That is our piri piri chorizo bake. We're going to take you through more of the photos and more of the recipes over the following days throughout March. So keep your eyes peeled for more of the Bosh Book Club.
Now, some of you guys love our videos, most of you guys love our food, and some of the recipes in here, I would say, are some of our best recipes to date.
We poured our heart and soul into this cookbook because we wanted to make vegan food as easy as possible, accessible to everybody, and really enable everyone to find the food that they used to love.
Yeah, when we were writing this book, everything else was put on hold. Life on hold, videos on hold. The most important thing for us, and it will be this forever, is putting as many good plants on your plates as is humanly possible.
And everything's been rigorously tested. You know, we take a really careful approach, a methodical approach to cooking and to testing, so you know that the recipes in here are going to work. There it is, that's day one of the Bish Bash Bosh Book Club. We're going to see you every single day.
You can pre-order the book in the link below. Please do so. Join the club. Bish
Bash Bosh!